Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. Today's video is going to be talking about, preparing for success before you ever see any amount of evidence that you're actually going to be successful. The reason why I'm making this video is because, a lot of people, if they don't see any signs of progress or that they're moving forward, they oftentimes, begin to disbelief and they don't take the necessary steps to ensure that once that success actually comes, they'll be able to handle that success. Let me give you a great example of this. So when working with my, personal trainer, I started at about 210 pounds. When we were talking in our consultation stuff, we were thinking, that it was going to be probably like 10 pound, 20 pound before I actually saw like glimpses of a six pack or glimpses of the goal, which was to have a flat stomach, right? So while we were doing this, we got down to that first milestone, which was 10 pounds. We're like, I don't really see the results that we're thinking about. The second milestone was, I don't really see, I think we're still off on our hypothesis. It's not 20 pounds. It might be a lot more, but where is it gonna start? And then I asked, so you've been doing this for a long time. Why did we miss our targets? Why was this technically off? Even though we hit our goal, which was the weight loss goal, why did my body not reflect in the way that we had anticipated? And then I was talking to a different personal trainer, and he was saying, depending on how much you have trained your abdominal muscles over, X amount of time, the more that you've done it when you could not see your abs, the less weight that you're actually going to have to lose because the ab muscles are going to be bigger. Same thing as if you were lifting like, training your biceps, making your biceps even bigger, right? So it wasn't the fact that during this weight cut, everything didn't go to plan. It was the fact that for the last 5 years, I don't do any kind of abdominal training, right, up until we started working together. If I had, back before I could see the abdominal muscles, that I had actually been training them, then by this time and by, two months ago, we were already seeing the results that we were looking for. Okay, so that's just to show that if I had been preparing for success before I could see evidence, and just for the lack of, just because I know the story is only 2 months old or whatever, but it applies to your life and to your business as well. What areas could you be, not really seeing the success that you want, and you're just kind of, letting it go to the wayside? Whether it's, marketing efforts, whether it's with your family, whether it's learning a new skill like dancing or cooking. I don't know exactly what it might be for yourself, okay? But put in the effort before you can see the results, and before you even see a glimpse of progress. Because once you start to see that glimpse of progress, I guarantee that's going to come a lot faster if you've been putting in the work beforehand, okay? So if you are a coach and you want to just help people, right? So your only goal in life is to help more people, but you're struggling to do so for whatever reason, I recommend that you go and join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's going to be a link in the description below. This group is designed to help you step by step learn how to help more people, how to get them attracted to your message, how to get them to reach out to you, how to get them to want to work with you long term to improve their life and pay you what you're worth. If that's you, go check out the link in the description below to our free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.